If you guys want to know how I got to this, okay, continue. Don't click off. Stay, watch the video, and I'll see you at the end.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you.
Okay, so I'm gonna go take this out, like wash it out, because because the roots are dying super fast and it has not been 30 minutes yet and it's turning blonde. So now, which means I'm gonna have to get like dye or something. Dang it. Okay, so I want to show you that I messed up. Not professional. So as you can see, focus, the roots were dyed a blonde orange all over the frontal. So I'm gonna dry it, and I believe I have some brown dye that I can use to fix this issue, but yeah, we have to fix all this, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I figured it out. So when I usually do my eyebrows, I kind of dye them myself. As you can see, they look a little darker because I'm doing my eyebrows today. I dyed them a little bit with my eyebrow dye stuff, so I didn't have any more of the box dye or the dye that I used to have. So what I'm doing is I'm taking that dye and I'm putting it on my wig, and as you can see, besides this part, I messed up over here. I'm so upset that I messed up over here. But as you can see, I'm doing that thing. So I'm gonna leave this on. Oh, I gotta finish this side, but I'm gonna leave this on for like a good 30 minutes because I really want it to stick. I'm really mad that I got this over here. Really mad about that, but hopefully it comes up with the dye. But yeah, y'all, I'm fixing it. So it's been like an hour now, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. Let's see what we cooking with. Hopefully it did, you know, get in there. Your love, it goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. I don't wanna play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of.
Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm looking like. I kind of wrapped it in the scarf for a little bit, but now I think it's time for me to make baby hairs because it's not looking right. And number one, this is not a middle part, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Kaden! Oh, and I got this, y'all, and I got a new electric hot comb that I'm gonna use, but first I just want to part this to where I want to, you know, lay that. Or I can do something like this. The comb. Alright, y'all, so I finished it and I was gonna do my makeup, but I don't like the wig. I just don't like how thin it is. Like, maybe because I didn't put makeup on, but like it just makes my eyes look bigger, and they're already big. Maybe with makeup on, but it's just too thin. I already reached out to the vendor to see what they can say. If anything, I'm thinking that I can buy some bundles and like sew it, or no, glue it in. But then that's 26 inches, and people out here thinking that 26 inches should be like $500 each bundle. But this is it, y'all. Other than that, it's beautiful. Like, it is really beautiful hair. It's just thin. Like, I didn't know Peruvian hair was this thin, but now I know. Okay, y'all, wait, I might have done something. So I just took this curling wand. I don't know what inch it is. I'm gonna say about maybe 1 to 2 inches. And I curled it, and I'm actually starting to love it because I curled it. So I didn't comb this side out yet with my fingers, but I did this side. And baby, look at that. Ooh, wait a minute, you. That's it. It's very time consuming, but baby. Ooh. Okay, take everything I said, take it back. I'm in love. Alright, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.